Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to use your phone microphone to say something to the camera on Xiaomi Smart Camera C300. You can use the microphone in order to say something to your phone and it will be played from the loudspeaker of your camera. It's useful when you want to say something to the person that you see in the camera. And to use it in the app, click on the microphone, then allow the microphone. And now I started talking, but I disabled it right away, because if my phone is close to the camera, it will just cause acoustic feedback, so I don't want that. But let me try doing that when I move my phone away from the camera and say something. Hi, I'm saying something. You can see it works, but it still causes some acoustic feedback because I still was too close. But if you are in another room or even not in the house, then it should work. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.